Okay, so now we've got the handle cut out for the hardware, and now we've got our hardware. A lot of people use the this little guy. Today we're not going to use it. We don't need it. We're just going to do a drive-in. When we drilled for the back set, there was two different settings, the 2 3/8 and the 2 3/4. That little change lets you adjust for where you need your handle to go. Today we did the 2 3/4. So we start by getting it in place and simply sliding it through. There we have our handle. It's in place. It's ready to be screwed in. Simply just screw it in. Using a longer bit allows you to get in with the screws and get your hardware on properly. There you have it, your locking hardware. This is Dana from Dana's Doors. If you have any questions about doors, email me, danasd@gmail.com.